This video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your country on X or Twitter. So you do this if you want to get the trending info in a different country. So let me show you guys how to do this. So what you need to do is just tap on the search button here, tap on that, and now tap on the settings you see on top here. You can see here. So I tap on that here and you can see explore locations here. Tap on that. Good. So let's say my current location is the US. Let me choose UK. Let me choose the UK. No, United rather. So United Kingdom here. So I'm choosing the UK here. So you turn this off here. You can turn this on, but make sure this is off when you choose the location that you are not there. So now let's come back here. Let's move to our trending here. Good. Come back here. And now let's move to our trending. And it's going to take some time to load, and you can see here, this is all trending news in the UK on Twitter now. So that's it on how you can change your country on X or Twitter. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.